Guys, today I'm gonna to show you how to export LinkedIn account, LinkedIn Sales Nav account lists from LinkedIn Sales Nav to Google Sheets. So it's quite easy. You will need two tools. First, LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and the second one, Derrick app. If you don't have Derrick app yet, go to Google Workspace Marketplace, download business, try Derrick. LinkedIn email phone finder, and yeah, then install, then you can close it. Second step is do your filter and select the company you want to extract. When you finish to do this filter, just copy the URL you have here, go back to Google Sheet and click on extension LinkedIn email phone finder, yeah, Derrick, open sidebar. You will see this sidebar open, and we will select the company from LinkedIn Sales Nav. So you can go to company to see any feature for company, but you also can try to write Sales Nav here, and as you can see, it's the import company feature. Go in this field and paste it. Then just go to import, and now Derrick will create a new page, and he will start to import every data from this to this. So as you can see, we have the company name, description, industry, ID, employee count, and company URL. So if you check Bitcoin mining blockchain, Bitcoin mining blockchain, if we check this one, like the Logitech International, so it will be there, Logitech International, and that's all. It's quite easy. It's very fast. As you can see, it takes less than a minute to get more than 100 leads in over 82 leads, sorry, in over 1 minute. And that's all. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and I hope you will try this feature soon. Bye!